Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about how you can reverse your production output by using the output journal. So I have a release production order here, and you could see the total quantity I want to produce is 10, and then I already finished the quantity 1. So let's say before I change the production order status to finish, I want to reverse this quantity because for some reason, this quantity 1 is not supposed to be produced yet. I want to reverse it, then I can output again. Okay, so what I can do here is like I can go to the output journal, and I have to record this production order number. So before I do that, I'm going to copy this cell. So you can right click and copy cell. Then you can go to the output journal. When you go to the output journal, then you can paste this production order number, then select this item number and the operation number. So these are mandatory. So the operation you have to select is the last operation. So for example, you could see I have 4 operations here. Only the last operation is mandatory for you to report the output. So that's enter that, the last operation number, then I have everything populated on the line. And so what I want to reverse is 1, but I have to enter -1 because that's the quantity I want to reverse. So I have to enter a negative quantity here. And that's it. But the complexity is here, like because this item is a lot tracked item. So if you navigate to this item card, you could see for this item, I have the lot tracking enabled, which means, so if you scroll to the bottom here, so you could see I have the item tracking number here and I have the lot number enabled for this item. So because I have the lot tracking on this item, what I can do, I cannot post this line directly. I have to define the item tracking line. So I have to go to item tracking lines and I have to find the lot number I reported that output. So this is the one. And I have to enter the quantity -1, which matches what you have on the output journal line. And then you can click on OK. Before you click on OK, so there's one thing I want you to pay attention to, because this is a lot tracked item. If you try to define this, okay, so if you have to tell the system where you want this reverse entry to apply to in the item ledger entries. If you select this entry number from the output journal line, then it will not allow you because it tells you for lot serial track item, you have to define on the item tracking line. So let's try this, then you can see the error message. So it tells you if the item carries serial or lot numbers, then you must use the applies to entry field in the item tracking lines window, not from here, okay? So that's why from the item tracking lines, there's one step you missed when you define item tracking line. So we only define the negative quantity for -1. We didn't define where you want this entry to apply to. I want to apply to this output entry, so I have to select that before I close the item tracking lines window. And now you can see this entry number is populated here. Then you can click on OK. Then you can post this entry. Okay. And after you did this, then it's posted successfully. Then you can go back to your release production order. Let's go back to here. So on the line, you could see that finished quantity 1 has been reversed. Now the finished quantity becomes 0. Yeah. Okay, so that's everything for you to reverse output entry. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope to see you guys again next time.